Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our first intermediate part for the flat parts, and this will be part 3. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we go back to the program here. Now we just wrapped up the basic parts, so now we're going to be looking at some intermediate parts. But yeah, before that, I just want to mention that the intermediate parts is going to consist of about 3 to 4 different values. So it's not going to cover the advanced ones yet, and also not custom. Custom shapes we're going to be covering later. So this is still just working on the actual stock shapes that we have at hand that we can use as building blocks. But now in any case, to start with the intermediate shapes, we're going to go to flat parts. Then we're going to grab this P3. So if I open this, zoom in for you guys, you can see we've got 3 different values to choose from. We've got the R1, X, and R2. Same over here, we can see we've got X, R1, R2. Now something to note, which is quite important about this shape, is that R2 always needs to be smaller than R1. If it is bigger than R1, then this won't work. Then X will be setting the width, and then R1 will be obviously the size of this curvature, R2 size of this one. So I'm just going to quickly go here and make the width 200. Let's make the R1 maybe 50 for now. And let me show you. So if I go 50 here as well, click OK, it will show us a preview, but as soon as I click add, it's going to give us an error. So then let's just go back to the shape again. Let's go that 250. Now let's say we make this one 49, so it's just smaller. Go to OK. Now we'll get a preview. So this is a good gauge to know if you did it right, is if you get an actual preview with a white line. There's no white line, just a black box, and you know you probably did it wrong. But I'm just going to set this one maybe about to 90, this one to 50, just see what the shape looks like. It's quite similar to the little icon we have. Obviously you can do whatever you want to get the unique shape you want, other than setting this one larger than this side. You can also just about make this a circle if you wanted to, but I mean we've got a shape for that, so I don't see the need. Now what I'm going to do is just add your manual quantity 1, add our shape to our canvas, and there's our first shape. So this is the first intermediate shape we have. It's a little bit more difficult than our primitive ones or our basic ones, but yeah, they're not that advanced. So if we go to just a quick recap again to flat parts, part 3, just the important thing about this is obviously this will be your X, R1 will be the left, R2 will be right, and the important thing is R2 has to always be smaller than R1. Can't be the same or larger. Otherwise, that is it in our first part. Before we head to the next, if we go to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.